Hi, I'm Bronwyn, and right now I'm going to show you one of my kids' favorite bedtime books called My Creation Bible. This witty and imaginative book, written by Ken Ham, explains difficult passages to little ones in a thoughtful way. This 24-page board book not only teaches young minds that early Genesis is real history, but that we can also look forward to the day God will bring restoration. It's beautifully illustrated and is a biblically accurate book that brings the Bible to life for children ages 2 to 7 years old. It also has some fun details, including a convenient handle for kids to easily take their Creation Bible on any adventure, and includes a free music CD that your kids can sing along to. My Creation Bible is a one-of-a-kind first Bible that teaches kids to trust God's Word from the very first verse, all from your friends at Answers in Genesis.